Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to clean a sink in 2 steps to get a great shine. The first is to spray the entire surface from front to back, left to right, with a product called Clean by Peroxy. I use it on a regular basis. It has a very minimal smell, and because it is an all-purpose hydrogen peroxide based cleaner, I really don't notice the smells that come off of some of the other cleaners. My nose is pretty sensitive, so I really enjoy using this product, and I use it on a regular basis. Okay, so after you've cleaned the entire surface with your terry cloth towel, and here I'm going back and forth showing that I tried my best to go back and forth to clean the entire surface. And after you've got it all clean with your terry cloth towel, then you use this special technique. I'm not sure if everybody knows this or not, but it does work well. You spray the sink and the faucet with Windex, and then you get paper towels and clean it with the paper towels. And this adds that extra shine that not a lot of people get, and gets those extra water spots off. So anyway, that's it guys. If this video was of any value to you, I would appreciate the like and the subscribe. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.